Today on Grow with Dr. Joe, we are making one of my favorite dressings, ranch dressing. I love the creaminess of ranch dressing, and this one's vegan. It's made with vegan mayonnaise and plant-based milk, as well as lots of fresh herbs and spices. We are going to start making this dressing by putting 1 cup of your favorite vegan mayonnaise in a bowl. It can be Vegenaise, Hellmann's, vegan mayonnaise. To that, you're going to add 1/4 cup of your favorite plant-based milk, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, some rice vinegar, about 1/2 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of roasted garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, 3 tablespoons of finely diced chives, and 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill. Stir that all together until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Once it's all stirred together, go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for several hours. Thank you for watching. Please click that like button and subscribe. Also, for this recipe as well as other great vegan or non-vegan recipes, go to my website at growwithdrjoe.com. And let all of the seasonings marinate together. Then you are ready to use it on your favorite green salad or as a dip for vegetables or buffalo, or as a dip on vegetables or vegan buffalo cauliflower bites.